Okay, hi. This is Mike with FiZZ. The purpose of today's video, and I'll try to keep it short, is to teach you how to use this and this. I'll tell you what this and this are in just a moment. I think you already know this is an empty soda bottle. Those of you who are familiar with FiZZ know about the black banana dispenser that allows you to dispense pressurized gas through the FiZZ cap, which looks like this. It's a FiZZ plug valve, and you can hear the gas coming through it and out the inside. So that's one way to pressurize a bottle with a number of gases: carbon dioxide, nitrogen, nitrous oxide. And I have a new cap that is a little different than that, and that's what I want to show you how to use. First of all, this white cover, which is a cover for the actual valve inside the cap, as you see here, looks a lot different than my FiZZ plug valve. That comes off and exposes this black rubber grommet seal and a valve pin installed inside of it. This is what I call the WCCVC whipped cream can valve cap, and this is a fill head adapter. I abbreviate FHA. So this is a WCCVC FHA whipped cream can valve cap fill head adapter. You see why I like the abbreviations. That last is a mouthful. All right, so basically this is pretty simple. It goes onto the black rubber grommet. You turn it a few times to make a good seal. The cap itself can be attached to the empty soda bottle and tighten finger tight, and then put the fill head adapter on the bottle, and now you can fill the bottle. So right now the bottle just sounds kind of like a dull thud when you hammer on it, but we'll change that. We're pressurizing the bottle with CO2. If you had water in here or soda that was flat, you could, pressurize it. All right, and now the bottle is, as you can see, pressurized. If you put the cover back on, the dispensing nozzle, if you had liquid in here, or if you had homemade whipped cream, which is easy to make with heavy cream, sugar, and vanilla flavoring, it would be very highly pressurized. If a liquid, you'd probably use carbon dioxide to carbonate the liquid. If you were making whipped cream, you would probably want to use nitrogen or nitrous oxide, which is the most common aerosol gas that's used to pressurize cans of whipped cream by practically every manufacturer of whipped cream. It's very simple. You've all seen whipped cream cans, and although they don't sound like that because they're made out of steel, you dispense with this the same way. You turn it upside down so that the liquid comes to the bottom, and then you press the valve to the side to dispense it. Now, that's all of the propellant or aerosol, a dispensing gas that's inside. You heard it come out, and that's all you need. So if you want to make yourself some cold brew nitro coffee and dispense it from a bottle like this, pretty elegant solution to doing that. In that case, you would use nitrogen. If you were going to make whipped cream, you would use nitrous oxide. If you were going to make liquid eggs, carbonated, so you can make You can dispense it just like you would pancake batter. Inside here it would be pressurized with carbon dioxide. Trust me, you can make the most delightful, very light and fluffy omelets and souffles by pressurizing them inside the bottle with carbon dioxide and then dispensing it into your frying pan. The carbon dioxide cooks off the very second heat it touches it, so you end up with a very light and fluffy, enjoyable omelet. All right, hope that was helpful, hope it was informative, and thank you for taking a moment and watching this demonstration of the FiZZ whipped cream can valve cap and the accompanying FHA, the fill head adapter.